put sensors in her toilet paper. Yes, dead serious. So,
what is the value of this toilet paper here?
There may be a whole roll, but the case of the matter is we persecute for everything.
Yeah.
And if you're going to steal that, you'll steal something else out of the store.
I feel you.
So we'll be pressing charges. I'll figure out a total. She said she don't have any ID on her. I've got to have some kind of form of ID or something, her name and stuff for a trespassing paper.
Cool.
So.
How much for this?
It don't
matter how much it is. If she was going to pay for it, she should have paid for it before she went out the door with it.
It's no, so they don't tighten up. Okay. And I'm gonna check your pockets, okay? Okay. Hey, un momento.